Fenugreek is a powerful natural weight loss ingredient that has a lot of health benefits like supporting digestion and maintaining the blood sugar levels. There are a number of healthy ways in which you can use fenugreek seeds for weight loss. Soak about a cup of fenugreek seeds in water and leave them soaked overnight. Filter the seeds from the water in the morning. Chew the wet seeds on an empty stomach. Simply by chewing soaked fenugreek seeds every morning on an empty stomach helps in losing weight. The presence of natural soluble fibers in the seeds makes our stomach swell and give us the feeling of stomach fullness, thus suppressing our appetite. Soaked fenugreek consumption is also good for promoting digestion and keeping gastritis at bay. Take about half bowl of fenugreek seeds and roast them on a low-medium flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the flame and crush the warm seeds in a mortar or a grinder to make a fine powder. Then, take a glass of warm water and add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder to it. Mix it well and drink this water on an empty stomach every morning. This amazing recipe leads to weight reduction. Soak about a cup of fenugreek seeds in water and leave them soaked overnight. Filter the seeds from the water in the morning. Drink this water every morning on an empty stomach. Fenugreek water will induce a feeling of fullness in the stomach for an entire day. This will decrease the feeling of hunger. The result would be visible weight loss in a few days. These were some amazing natural ways to use fenugreek seeds that can help you lose weight. But remember, if you are pregnant, or you have any other medical condition, you should consult your doctor before eating large amounts of fenugreek seeds, or consuming fenugreek supplements. Besides this, some tips for weight loss. Get 7-8 hours of sleep every night. Drink 3 liters of water per day. Avoid watching late-night TV or browsing the internet to prevent late-night snacking. Cook your food with coconut oil as it is very healthy. Sleep early and wake up early so that you have time to have breakfast. Chewing your food slowly can help you eat fewer calories and increase the production of hormones linked to weight loss. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.